Good morning, everybody. My name is Sachchit. I study in grade 4 in the school GIS Grand International School.
Okay, and which city are you from?
I am from Angola, Rwanda.
Angola, Rwanda. Sorry, where are you from?
Angola?
Angola, okay. Okay, can you share your presentation?
Okay. Wait. So my project is about influence of alluvial processes on the circulation of manganese and lithium in riparian environments. So we'll discuss about alluvial soils, fresh alluvium, manganese, lithium, and environment. So here is a picture of a riparian environment. So these two are riparian zones. These two are uplands, or you can say the land or the river banks, and the alluvial deposits which come from floods, and the aquatic stream or river. Look. So lithium and manganese are most essential for proper functioning of all living organisms, such as humans, animals, and plants. If these elements are excessive amount, they might prove poisonous. What's alluvial soil? Alluvial soils are soils which consist of earth and sand left behind on land, which has been flooded or where a river once flowed. These soils provide many functions in our ecosystem. It removes the other contaminants from the river and improve water quality for downstream communities. So this means that alluvial soils are soils which consist of dirt and sand left on earth which has been flooded or where river once flowed. So floods are when water gets into the street or streams and rise into heights. Sometimes when it rains on a hill, it also collects on the ground and makes floods. And another thing is when it rains very heavily, the mud on the mountain gets very loose. So it causes it to flow down. And what we call it is landslides. And this is also improving water quality for the downstream communities. So downstream communities are the communities far away from the water source. Okay, what is fresh alluvium? It means new alluvium. Now, what does manganese do to soil? Manganese is an important micronutrient for plant growth and development and sustain metabolic roles with different plant cells compartment. Plant mechanisms will be disturbed if they can't absorb sufficient manganese from the soil. So what this means is manganese is important for photosynthesis and plant germination. So how is lithium related to the environment? Lithium is mostly giving the bad effect on soil. More quantity of lithium in the soil, then the soil becomes hard. Because lithium it's coming from sedimentary rocks, which are very hard, and it's not good for the plants. These toxic metals are not good for humans and animal biodiversity. Conclusion. 1. Due to this dynamic character, alluvial processes cause variation of biogenic elements distribution in soil and play a vital role on the vegetation. 2. Fresh alluvium is deposited by a flood which is rich in manganese and lithium. It is required the riparian areas be carefully protected due to their ecological values, agriculture and flood protection they provide. So this means that it is needed for the riparian areas as we saw in the picture to be carefully protected due to the eco-social or being social with the environment, ecological values. Agriculture and flood protection they provide. So we need to protect the agriculture from the floods, as we discussed. They wash away things and rise in heights. And flood protection, protect the riparian areas from the flood they provide. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sachchit. It was really nice, actually, a very difficult topic too.
Yeah, and in fact, especially for a grade 4 student, right?
Yes, exactly.
So Sachit, my question would have been like, who helped you to do this, or did your mom, dad, or teacher help you prepare this presentation?
No. I read it from a geography book.
Okay. Okay. So excellent, I think. So good job. So guys, any questions for Sachit?
I have a question here.
Okay, we are.
Yes.
So my pretty much great information provided to us at your level. I wouldn't have known that much of information. Did not expect that much of knowledge from you. So one of my question is, what should be how should we promote to use alluvial soil? I mean, what
Okay.
should these steps taken to change it?
Okay, so as we discussed, alluvial soils are made from deposits of alluvium. So alluvium is a material that's very good for plant growth. So as you can see, we need to improve by protecting the riparian areas. Because of floods, they might
What
wash away the soil and make it a bit bad, but at least they can make new alluvium.
what do you understand by riparian areas?
Riparian areas are areas like on the table of water where the water surface directly is. First, we have the river bed, or you can say uplands. Then, on the surface of the water, we have the riparian area, and then we have the water body.
Such as if you would know the society is
So
something
so
that
only two questions per person, right?
okay,
I think
okay,
let's
okay,
not grill this person. I think
okay.
Sachit, I think I really appreciate your confidence, and I think the kind of work that you have done to research on this topic. And I was doubting if you would be able to answer Vivan's question, but I think you handled both the questions very well. So congratulations to you. If your parents are around, I just wish them good luck, and I feel that you've done a fantastic job.